Hi YouTube, welcome to Wesbix. Today we got a bit of fun really. It's a smiley dimple, home protector, an alarmed padlock. As you can see, all works really well for cheap Chinese rubbish. We're going to see if we can get into it with a Y wrench and a Bogotá. So let's see how we get on. It's quite rough on the edge, so he catches the Bogotá. And we're in. So we've got an aware smiley as well. See if that will work. I think the cores are all made in exactly the same place. So as you can see, I mean it's cheap padlock, but very sharp edges on it. There's the bitting on that key, so very different to the other one. Let's see if we can get into that one. So again, a Y wrench and a Bogotá. Just got a bit of a false set, try not to lose the wrench. Hardest part is keeping the pick brushing over the centre of the pins, because see if there's any that are just holding us up, and we're in. So that was two smiley dimples. Oopsie, new table that I'm making. Let's just dent the top. Picked with a Bogotá. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Just for a bit of fun. Thank you very much.